Alright, what is going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? If you love Geecrack, you better stay tuned through the end of this video, and I hope you clicked on the video, because you gotta watch it right now. This mystery box that we compiled full of a bunch of brand new releases from Geecrack, including G-Crazy. This mystery box, there's a very limited number of them that we are putting up on the website, and they are going up tomorrow morning at 10:30 on Friday, the 26th, 10:30 a.m. Central Time. We're going to be going ahead, and in this video here, we're going to be going ahead and opening one of the mystery boxes, telling you all what's in it, what's guaranteed, and what's a mystery. So let's go ahead, open it here together. So kicking it off, you know, a bunch of new products from Geecrack. Bellows Gill Elastomer Floatings. These are very unique, great for something like a swim jig, a chatterbait. Of course, the Bellows Shad is a little bit thinner profile. Adding something like a Bellows Gill that is a bigger, more rounded profile can get you a lot more bites, especially when times are tough and you're trying to leave your bait in a certain area, especially during the springtime. This can be very useful to you. You know, utilizing some of the new products like G-Crazy. I've done a rigging video on that one, talking about the Nico rig style, the drop shot, how I like to rig it up. Of course, there are a bunch more products we're going to talk about here. So number one of the first items that everyone has been wanting, of course, G-Crazy. We have 3 brand new colors that have not been released yet. You're going to be guaranteed 2 of them in the mystery boxes here. First off, we have Homeless Magic, and all the colors you can see on the website. I'm going to try to keep this one quick in case you are watching this very late. Homeless Magic, Marshall's one of his signature colors that is out right now. Pink Lemonade is the other one. Next up is Green Pumpkin Chartreuse. Very light green pumpkin with a little bit of chartreuse on the back as well. The other one is a signature color from Alton Jr., which is AJ's Juice, one of my all-time favorite colors in any lineup, really. The Bellows Shad, the Bellows Gill, all of the AJ's Juice is absolutely incredible. You're going to be guaranteed 2 G-Crazy. You're also going to be guaranteed 2 packs of Bellows Gills in Pink Lemonade. You're going to get 1 3.8 and 1 5.8. So Pink Lemonade is also guaranteed in these, again, just like last time. Before I get too far, the price for the boxes is going to be $99.99. You are making out like a bandit in terms of what you're getting. So we're going to keep moving here, keep it rolling. Brand new Bellows Gill Floating Elastomer. You're going to have a chance at a 2.8 or 3.8 inch. We have these guys here. This box specifically comes with the electric shad version in 2.8. These guys right here, chatterbait, swim jig, spinnerbait. Flip it up on a Texas rig. Make sure to check out Lake Pro Tackle Bulk Tungsten as well. Another Bellows Gill type lure. This is the Bellows Gill Swimmers. We've got these in, I believe it's a 3.2 and a 4.5, maybe 4.2. I can't always remember all the sizes. You're also going to be guaranteed a Bellows Gill Swimmer. You are also, throw my hat off the table here, you're going to be guaranteed a brand new Finesse Q-Bomb. This is going to come in a 1 inch or a 1.2 inch Finesse Series skirt. These came out a couple months ago at the first drop. You're going to be guaranteed 2 2.8 Bellows Shad. These are the non-elastomer type. Got a bunch of different colors as well. We got some white, we got some scuppernong, got some green pumpkin, muddy gill, bunch of different colors in the Bellows Shad. You're also going to be guaranteed a pack of the Bellows Sticks, the 3.8 or is it 4.8? I think it's 4.8. 3.8 or 4.8 right there. You're also going to be guaranteed a pack of the brand new Saf Sticks. These are going to be either a 4 inch or a 5 inch. Bunch of cool colors with these. And of course, with all mystery boxes that we've done so far, you're going to get a hat and some stickers. So Lake Pro Tackle hats are going to be wide variety of colors. We've got a bunch of different ones in there. So all the hats are going to be kind of mixed up. We've got black, blue, red, navy, gray, stuff like that. So guys, I hope you enjoy these mystery boxes. I'm not going to hold y'all here too long. Just want to make the announcement. It's happening fast. But for those of you that are on YouTube but not on social media, I highly encourage you to go check it out at Lake Pro Tackle, Instagram, and Facebook. That is where I'm throwing up all the drop information, going live, and telling you exactly what's coming out when it's coming out. We've got some Sakamata shads coming in here very, very soon, so be on the lookout for that, and a bunch of cool stuff that I can't wait to share with y'all. So guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time here at Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.